everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you my CVS haul. Funny thing is, I get to the register and like nobody's there, and then all of a sudden when she starts checking me out, everybody decides to show up, and it was just like, why does this always happen to me? And then I swear she didn't scan an item because she's like, oh, this coupon doesn't work, we can't use this coupon, it doesn't work. And I'm like, well, did you scan the item, because it should work? And I think later on I found out that she didn't scan it, but she ended up having to scan it in the system. But it was just like, oh, because like I have everything to a T, and then when they mess me up, it's just crazy. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So the first deal I did was the all laundry detergent. This was $3.99. I used a $1.50 off insert coupon that we got from last week Sunday. So you'd get that for like, I don't know. I don't know off the top of my head. But I ended up also getting 3 of the Pantene. The Pantene were 3 for $12. This is the deal where if you spend $20, you get a $5 extra care buck. So I got the all with it. And then I ended up getting the Pantene that were 3 for $12. I had a 4 off of 12 CRT, and that didn't work. And they had to do something. I'm like, well, did you scan all 3 items? You know, but they ended up fixing something. And then I also had the 5 off of 3 insert coupon from the P&G, so I ended up using that. And then I also got the Febreze. These were $2.99, and I had that buy one get one free insert coupon from today's P&G. So between the 6 items, the 3 coupons, the 5 off of 3, and the $1.50 off, and the buy one get one 50% or buy one get one free, and then I had that 4 off of 12 Pantene CRT. Paid $8.48. Oh, I locked one kid out of here, and now the other kid is here. But you get the $5 extra care buck, making it $3.48, or just 58 cents each. Yeah, I was trying to lock this one out, but this one found me. Thanks, Paris. Thank you. Here, just chill. Just chill somewhere. Okay. So the next deal I got was the Clean and Clear. Now these were $7.49. There is a deal where if you spend $15, you get a $5 extra care buck. So these were just 2 cents cheaper, but my store does the 10% rule or 2% rule, whatever that's called. But I had a $2 off printable coupon and a $2 off digital coupon. And then I had a 3 off of 10 CRT that I used. Paid $7.98, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making these just $2.98 or $1.49. So I think they're pretty cheap. I mean, if you can get it down to that price, that is a great deal. But I try to share with you guys more than the obvious deals, because some people need some of that stuff we use all the time. Okay, thanks, Paris. The next deal we got is the Glucerna. These were $5.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got in our today's inserts. I didn't have a CRT for these, but you would pay $5.98, but then you get that $5 extra care buck back, making these just 98 cents or 49 cents each, and there is 6 bars in each box, which is a great deal. My store had some toothpaste on clearance. So they had the Burt's Bees on clearance for $2.37. You use that $2 off P&G insert coupon that we got. You would just get this for 37 cents each, which is a great deal. I think they're changing the look on that one, because I noticed that Walgreens had them clearanced out too. And then I saw the Hello toothpaste. Now these were on clearance for $2.14, but when I scanned it with the app, the Colgate popped up, because it does say Tom's, it does say Colgate, it does say Hello. I think it's made by the same company. I don't know, but there is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can use for this. So you just get this for 17 cents if you are into the Hello brand. Otherwise, we do have some $1 off Colgate, but I don't think those will work, because I kind of, from what I remember, I don't know if those would work, but I'm just suggesting it. I got the Mono Gold. These were on sale for $9.99. You'd pay $9.99 for it, but then you get a $9 extra care buck back, making these just 99 cents. My store only had one left. I don't know if they're still getting them or if they're discontinuing them, but it's been a while since we got that deal. The next deal I'm excited to get It is the John Frieda. Now I'm starting to really like the John Frieda coupons, and I actually got one of these with a Walmart bag that I got, so I wanted to definitely try the shampoo and conditioner together. So these were $6.99. There were some that were $8.49, but these ones were $6.49. I had a 4 off of 18 shampoo, conditioner, hair care, CRT, and then I also had a 4 off of 2 insert coupon and a $2 off coupon from the John Frieda. And then I also had a $4 off of 3 CRT that I got for this. Thanks, Paris. Can I just read what I got written down right here? Thank you. So I got all 6 of these for $6.97 or $2.32 each. So it might not be the greatest deal, but I really like this product, and it's hard for me to get this stuff, and I'm like, okay, we're gonna try it, and it's something I really want to try anyways. So I got those for, you know, $7 for 3 of those. It's for me, I think it's an okay deal compared, you know, if you see your average shopper, a person would probably pay $8 for that normally. So yes, I ended up getting the Baby Ruths, and then I got a Butterfinger. Now each of these were $1.49. They are not on sale, but I had a CRT where if you spend you get 4 candy bars, you get 1 free. So that's how I did this deal. But with Swag Bucks, there's actually a deal where if you buy 2 of them, you get 300 points. So that's $3 back you get with Swag Bucks. But it is a limit of 2 per receipt. So I ended up getting 4. So these I would be getting $6 back with Swag Bucks. And then with the Butterfinger, there's actually a 25-cent deal with Ibotta. So buy 4 of these, you get all 5 of these, you use that buy 4, get 1 free CRT. You'd pay $5.96 for this. You get the, I don't know why I wrote 50 cents, but you get a 25-cent Ibotta rebate and $6 back from Swag Bucks, making these, all 4 and 5 of these, a 54-cent moneymaker. So I went ahead and did that. And then here is another money maker that you can do. Yes, Parrot. Yes. So these were 2 for $7. Now there is a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, or we got the insert coupons that you guys can use for these. But these were 2 for $7. You want to use that 5 off of 2 insert or digital coupon. You would just pay $2 for these, but then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making this a $2 money maker. So I was pretty excited to do this, and I've yet to try this stuff, but I'm excited to try it. So that was my haul. My haul came to be $4.88 for everything. Make sure you guys are using the Flooz app. If you haven't already, it's free money. Free money, and all you do is just pay for your stuff and then have that money just add on, and then you can continue rolling it. But if you guys are not sure what Flooz is a cash back app. I have the link below. If you guys join, you get, I think, a bonus. But it's free money, and I've used it. That's my #1 app that I use at CVS. My #1 app, because it's free money and you continue rolling it. So $4.88. I ended up using $40 worth of extra care bucks, but I only received $28 back. So I did take a loss at it, but that is okay. With Ibotta, I received 25 cents, and then with Swag Bucks, I received $6. So my grand total was $10.63 for everything, and I will take it, considering they want like $13 for that John Frieda when it's regular price. So $10.63 at just 44 cents each. I will take it. I got 24 items at 44 cents each. I saved over $137.73, so I am pretty happy with what I got with my total. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next week for some more saving, couponing, and deals. Thank you.